Hey guys, this is Danny with Partay again. So, I wanted to give you an update on another. At one time I talked about doing a Contra-White and two different versions, and I think this is where maybe the second version comes in. Um, Playing around with some of the metallics today, I got an idea for a light-based flake polymer that would actually push out brightness, but I could mix in some tint to get a little bit more contrast. And honestly, it's come out pretty good. It's a little more grainy in application than what I'm looking for right now. Um, and that just means I need to back off of it a little bit and have a little less micron in it. But overall, I think it's looking kind of nice. You can see it's holding up well in the light. Um, so, my personal screen back there is darker gray. It's one of our formulas. It's the Daystar formula. It's still my favorite. I like the brightness of this new one, but for my environment, the contrast is really the best on my screen. But this, for people who like a brighter, more vibrant screen, the one in the center, the small panel, actually gets you there, and it holds a fairly nice. You look at the blacks there; they look black. They don't look gray. So doing a nice job holding contrast. So thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated.